Hi, since I've told you about Ted's Woodworking, I've been thrilled with the incredibly positive response it's received. Hundreds of woodworkers have already joined and are already building projects easily and quickly with the plans. If you're ready to join, just head to the course sign up page, Ted's Woodworking package. In addition to all the kind words and excitement, I've also received a lot of questions about the course. So, I wanted to take this opportunity to answer some of them here. 1. How do I get access to the plans? Is it something sent to my house? You'll get instant access to the package. It's kind of a membership site, but don't worry about a monthly membership fee or anything like that. You will pay only once and that's all you pay. There are no additional charges, no hidden charges, no nothing like that. For a small fee I will also ship worldwide the DVDs of all the plans and bonuses. 2. Are there a lot of beginner-friendly plans in this? Yes. Most of these plans are beginner plans, with the rest being intermediate and some being expert plans. But keep in mind, given the quality of these plans, you might surprise yourself with your ability to quickly expand the projects you can do. 3. How long do I have access to the plans? You have lifetime access to all the plans in the members area. Your membership never expires and you can log in anytime to download more plans. What's more, I draft new plans every month so you'll always have new ideas, new projects to make for. Why a one-time fee? Won't you lose money long term? Not really. It is a digital product after all. I suppose if everyone were to get this deal, then yeah, eventually the time I spend every month creating the 5 new plans wouldn't earn me an income. Which is why I am taking this page down soon. 5. I can't afford tools or materials to build my project. If that's the case, this is perfect for you. Because you will learn exactly what you need to build a project you're interested in. So, there's no wasting your money on tools you won't use. Just buy exactly what I tell you and follow my instructions. Then move on to the next and buy the new tools you need, if any, simple and cost effective. Simply get what you need for the projects you want to build at any time. I'll also show you ways to get lumber and materials for far less than what you pay retail. 6. I don't have any space for a workshop. Fact is, you don't need a large space or expensive tools to build many of the projects. I started off with a 7x8 size workshop and many of my best pieces came from that shop. I've included many small mobile workbenches you can build right away as well. Many of my plans do not require professional machinery or even a router. 7. Can I sell the projects I make with your plans? Absolutely. You can sell the projects you build with our plans. Many of my customers went on to make a sizable side income by selling projects they make. I hope these answers some of your questions. And, of course, you can find more answers and full course details on the sign up page. By now, I hope you're also starting to see that, with the right plans, you can create anything out of wood, no matter if you do not have a large shop or years of experience. So join now and get access to 16,000 plans. I can't wait to see what you'll build. Click the link to see you inside. Please see, don't forget the launch offer is closing shortly, so there are only a few more days to sign up. Join now before the offer expires.